In the vast universe with billions of galaxies, are we truly alone? This question is not only a matter of science, but also a curiosity deeply rooted in human consciousness for thousands of years. From ancient myths describing gods descending from the heavens, rock carvings depicting mysterious figures, to modern scientific discoveries, all of these ignite in us the notion that life might exist beyond Earth. On the journey to find the answer, humanity has gathered numerous intriguing signs and stories, from the mysterious WOW signal and astonishing ancient structures to new scientific discoveries about planets within our solar system. In 1977, Jerry Eman, a volunteer astronomer at the Big Ear Observatory in Ohio, discovered a radio signal lasting 72 seconds from deep space. This signal was stronger than anything previously recorded and came from an area in the Sagittarius constellation with no bright stars. This added to the mystery of the signal. Jerry scribbled the word WOW next to the printout of the signal, which led to its name, the WOW signal. To this day, the origin of this signal remains unexplained, and it has become a symbol of hope for the existence of an extraterrestrial civilization. To expand upon this, the WOW signal stands out not only because of its unique strength, but also due to its precise frequency. The signal was detected at 1,420 MHz, which corresponds to the hydrogen line, the specific frequency naturally emitted by hydrogen atoms, the most abundant element in the universe. Scientists consider this frequency significant because it is thought to be a universal marker that any intelligent extraterrestrial civilization might use for communication, assuming they recognize hydrogen's fundamental importance in the cosmos. Adding to its intrigue, the WOW signal was a narrowband signal, meaning it came from a very specific and concentrated point in space rather than a wideband source like natural cosmic phenomena. This further suggested that it could be artificial in origin. However, despite numerous follow-up studies and attempts to relocate the signal using similar equipment and methods, no repeat transmission from the same location has ever been observed. An additional element that adds depth to the story of the WOW signal is its timing. The signal was detected during an era of significant strides in astronomy and space exploration. Just a year earlier, in 1976, NASA's Viking landers had transmitted the first ever images from the surface of Mars. Around this period, humanity was increasingly optimistic about finding life or evidence of it beyond Earth, further fueling excitement over the WOW signal. Moreover, the signal has inspired decades of debate and numerous investigations. In 2017, a study proposed that the signal might have been caused by radio interference from passing comets, which emit signals at similar frequencies. However, this theory has been widely criticized for lacking sufficient evidence. Most researchers maintain that the WOW signal's precise characteristics remain inconsistent with known natural sources. The mystery surrounding the WOW signal is emblematic of humanity's broader quest to answer the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Its discovery and continued study underscore our desire to explore the unknown, bridging the gap between speculation and science. Many hypotheses have been proposed. Some scientists believe it could be an intentional signal from an advanced civilization attempting to communicate. Others speculate it might simply be a rare natural phenomenon that we do not yet understand. Carl Sagan, the renowned astronomer, once said that if we are truly alone in the universe, it would be an awful waste of space. This statement makes the WOW signal even more significant, as it not only represents an anomaly, but also serves as a reminder of how little we know about the cosmos. The WOW signal has inspired numerous projects aimed at searching for extraterrestrial life, including SETI, a project designed to detect similar signals from space. However, more than 40 years later, no other signal has been recorded with the same strength and uniqueness. This raises an important question. Are we simply lacking the technology to fully understand the messages the universe is sending, or is life exceedingly rare in this vast expanse? Beyond signals, ancient structures on Earth also pose fascinating questions about potential extraterrestrial involvement. The Nazca lines in Peru are one of the most iconic examples. These massive geoglyphs, only clearly visible from above, have led many to speculate that they were messages or signs directed at beings from space. How could the ancient Nazca people have created such intricate and enormous designs without the aid of modern technology? Similarly, the Moai statues on Easter Island are another mystery. With their immense height and weight, how did ancient people transport them from the quarries to their current locations? Some theorists suggest that these structures were built with the assistance of an extraterrestrial civilization. However, modern research indicates that ancient people might have used collective human effort and simple tools to accomplish these feats. Nevertheless, curiosity about the possible existence of an alien intelligence continues to provoke our imagination. Ancient structures are not the only clues, as modern scientific discoveries also bring new hope for extraterrestrial life. On Earth, scientists have discovered extremophiles microorganisms that can survive in harsh environments like volcanic vents, hot springs, and even beneath thick layers of ice. This leads us to wonder whether similar harsh environments on other planets could harbor life. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, is a promising candidate. With its liquid water ocean protected by a thick ice layer, Europa could provide ideal conditions for life to develop. Similarly, Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, has been found to emit water plumes from its surface, indicating the presence of water beneath its icy crust. According to physicist Carl Sagan, these environments could be places where life finds a way to exist despite extreme conditions. In 2020, scientists announced a groundbreaking discovery: the detection of phosphine gas in the atmosphere of Venus. This chemical compound is commonly produced by microorganisms in oxygen-deprived environments on Earth, such as in deep lakes or swamp ecosystems. What makes this discovery remarkable is that Venus has long been considered an uninhabitable planet, with surface temperatures reaching up to 475 degrees Celsius, atmospheric pressure 90 times that of Earth, and sulfuric acid rain. However, the presence of phosphine in the upper layers of the atmosphere, where conditions are less extreme, has opened up new avenues of research into the possibility of microbial life in harsh environments. The discovery was led by a team of scientists from Cardiff University, headed by astronomer Jane Greaves, using advanced radio telescopes to identify the phosphine signature. The data revealed phosphine concentrations higher than what could be explained by known natural processes such as volcanic activity, lightning, or spontaneous chemical reactions in the atmosphere. This led to speculation that a form of microbial life might have evolved to adapt and survive in the harsh conditions of Venus's upper atmosphere. However, not all scientists agreed with this conclusion. Some researchers suggested that there might be other chemical processes on Venus that we do not yet fully understand, or that the data might have been misinterpreted due to technological limitations in observation. In 2021, further analysis of the data sparked controversy, as some research groups failed to detect similar phosphine concentrations in subsequent observations. Despite this, the discovery has brought Venus, once overlooked in the search for extraterrestrial life, back into the spotlight of scientific exploration. NASA and the European Space Agency have announced plans for future missions to explore Venus's atmosphere, surface, and geological history in greater detail. These missions aim to determine whether the phosphine gas has a biological origin or is simply the result of an unknown natural phenomenon. The detection of phosphine reminds us that in this vast universe, what seems impossible can still occur. It also raises a larger question: could life, even in its simplest forms, exist in environments we never previously considered? This event not only marks a significant step forward in planetary science, but also ignites curiosity and drives humanity to continue exploring the unknown. Stephen Hawking once said that we must keep searching for answers to humanity's great questions. From the WOW signal to ancient structures and the discovery of phosphine on Venus, humanity has continuously searched for and explored signs of extraterrestrial life. Are we truly alone in this universe, or have we simply not yet found a way to connect with other civilizations? This is a profound question that only time and scientific advancement can answer.